Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
I go shopping today. I go shopping today. The mall is big. The mall is big. I get in through the mall entrance. I get in through the mall entrance. I see many people passing by. I see many people passing by. Some are carrying shopping bags. Some are carrying shopping bags. I hear music playing in the background. I hear music playing in the background. The lights are bright and colorful. The lights are bright and colorful. I walk past the clothing stores. I walk past the clothing stores. I see many new shirts and dresses. I see many new shirts and dresses. A red dress catches my attention. A red dress catches my attention. The color looks attractive and stylish. The color looks attractive and stylish. The fabric feels soft and comfortable. The fabric feels soft and comfortable. Can I get size medium, please? Can I get size medium, please? The fitting room is near the counter. The fitting room is near the counter. I try on the dress. I try on the dress. The dress fits me well. The dress fits me well. It looks beautiful and elegant. It looks beautiful and elegant. This is pricey. Is there any discount today? This is pricey. Is there any discount today? I have a discount card. I have a discount card. I can use my discount card here. I can use my discount card here. I can pay with a card or cash. I can pay with a card or cash. I decide to buy the dress. I decide to buy the dress. The receipt is placed in the shopping bag. The receipt is placed in the shopping bag. Next, I stop at the shoe store. Next, I stop at the shoe store. Different types of shoes are displayed on the shelves. Different types of shoes are displayed on the shelves. I look at the prices carefully. I look at the prices carefully. I try on a pair of sneakers. I try on a pair of sneakers. They feel light and comfortable. They feel light and comfortable. The size is perfect. The size is perfect. This pair is suitable for daily wear. This pair is suitable for daily wear. I walk to the food court. I walk to the food court. People are eating and chatting. People are eating and chatting. The smell of pizza and fries fills the air. The smell of pizza and fries fills the air. I order a sandwich and a drink. I order a sandwich and a drink. The food looks fresh and delicious. The food looks fresh and delicious. I sit at a table and enjoy my meal. I sit at a table and enjoy my meal. After eating, I continue shopping. After eating, I continue shopping. I visit a bookstore. I visit a bookstore. Many books are arranged neatly on the shelves. Many books are arranged neatly on the shelves. I choose a storybook. I choose a storybook. The cover looks interesting. The cover looks interesting. I pay at the counter and keep the receipt. I pay at the counter and keep the receipt. Before leaving, I notice another clothing store. Before leaving, I notice another clothing store. A blue jacket is displayed in the window. A blue jacket is displayed in the window. The color suits me well. The color suits me well. The jacket feels warm and comfortable. The jacket feels warm and comfortable. This item is on sale today. This item is on sale today. I pay with my card and put the jacket in my bag. I pay with my card and put the jacket in my bag. I leave the mall feeling happy and satisfied with my shopping. I leave the mall feeling happy and satisfied with my shopping.